Hey guys, we're gonna make a surprise cake for Easter. Keep watching to find out. We're gonna pour in our water and our oil to the cake mix, and then we're gonna whisk it. We chose chocolate, but you can use any flavor you want. We got our batter mixed, now it's egg time! Woo woo! We always crack our eggs in a separate bowl because we don't want to get shell. We got our extra, now we're going to pour it into the batter. And mix. Now that we got our cakes in, we're going to put them in the oven. And stay tuned to find out what surprise cake we make. You're going to take a pan and then put it on the cake. Then you're going to cut it all the way through. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. It looks funny, but you'll see what we're going to make. Now this is what it should look like. You're going to take the two pieces and put them on top of the cake. I bet you know what this is going to be now. Here's our bunny, now we're going to decorate it. Now we're going to cover the cake with frosting. I chose white because he was going to be a white bunny. Our family loves chocolate cake. If you want other ideas, be sure to check out my channel. Now that our frosting is done, we're going to start the decorations with the jelly bean and the mouth. For the mouth and the eyes, we use black tube frosting. We're almost done with the eyes, and we're also going to use the tube frosting for the outlining of the ears. Now we've got an outline, and we're going to sprinkle pink sugar on it. Now we're almost done with the ears, and then we're going to do the bow tie, and we're done. Here's our Easter bunny cake. Like and subscribe and watch our next video. Here's our cake. Happy Easter. We're going to do cupcake in our next video.